Today we'll show you how to install your mini blinds from start to finish. Before you begin, check your box to ensure your window treatment is as ordered and your install guide and hardware is included. Also, confirm your blinds fit properly by holding them up to the window frame and checking measurement accuracy. For install, you will need a tape measure, screwdriver, power drill with drill bits, and a pencil. You may also need a level, and for taller windows, a ladder. Consider drywall anchors if mounting directly into drywall without a stud. Your first installation step is to mark the drill sites for the brackets. We recommend mounting brackets about 3 inches in from each side of your window. Drill the marked points, and then screw in the brackets. Place the front end of the headrail onto the front notch of the bracket. Once hooked on, push the back side of the blinds up to lock it into place. Attach the tilt wand to the blinds. We recommend testing your blinds by raising, lowering, and stopping mid-window for correct tension and operation. Make sure to also test your tilt wand by rotating the slats open and closed. From measuring to installing, we're here to help you every step of the way. Find us at blindsgalore.com.